I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Hi everyone, welcome back to African Estate. Assuming that we elected idiots who missed all the classes except political torture, it would be prudent to say that the cost of living will improve and inflation will go lower when you sell the dollars that you are hiding. But I know you are brighter than that. One of the ways to reduce inflation is to store your wealth in appreciating assets. That's why today I brought you in this estate, which is in Ruiru, Mugutha, and it consists of 8 units. Right now, 3 units are already complete. The 4th one is in progress, and by the end of the year, the developer will have done the other 4 units. Each home in this estate has a plinth area of 340 square meters, and each unit has been constructed on a 55 by 110 lot of land. The estate comes with a common area for your events and your meetings. This space can also be used as a kids' play area. Each home comes with a separate gate, a perimeter wall, a nice corner, and a camera at the entrance. So for the 70% of you who hate annoying neighbors, we got you covered. I'll take you inside. The gate opens to the parking of this home, and it's a 4-car parking. On my right hand side, you have the front yard, and on my left hand side, you have this hallway that takes you to the backyard. Each home will come with an underground reservoir and a 10,000 liter water storage, which will be in these 2 tanks. On my left hand side, you have the entrance porch of this home, and as you can see, the beauty is incomparable. It comes with this flowery artifact and grass railings to prevent you from toppling over when you are drunk. I'll take you inside. From the entrance, I like it that this home comes with a double door, and that makes it very easy when you want to get your stuff inside. From here, it becomes very easy for you to access the upper level through these stairs, and I like it that from here you are separated from all the people who are in the living room and the other spaces in this level. The common washroom is on my far front. The curved staircase improves the ergonomics of this foyer. The common washroom is here, and it is just a standard washroom with all the fixtures that you require. This space has been reserved for any other thing that you would want to do. I like it that the living room is sunken, and from there you can get a full view of how the developer wanted to utilize the space. By the way, each home in this estate is going for 28.5 million Kenya shillings. The living room comes with a massive window that is more than 6 feet long, and it gives this living room a very airy feel. I like it that it comes with very well done gypsum ceilings with a lot of lights for your night relaxation. I like the mood light to be specific because it changes colors. But what I am wondering is, what happens when it comes to a color that you don't like? Do you destroy it? Behind me, you have the focal point of this home, and I like it that the space will be enough for all your electronics. This door will take you to the dining area, and the door next to it will take you to the living room balcony. Let's see the balcony, and later we will see the dining area and the kitchen. This balcony is a nice place to relax, and I like it that it can act as a second entrance. I don't like the wires that are hanging, as much as this home is more than 95% complete, they are not allowed to electrocute their visitors. I'll take you back inside. The developer of this unit and all the other units in this estate employed semi-open plan method. That means that the dining area is not open to the living room, but it is open to the kitchen. I like this space with its little compartment, and I like it that it can be used as a breakfast table or a minibar. This space is big enough to fit an 8-seater to a 10-seater dining set. I like it that it comes with a small vanity, and I like it that it comes with these small compartments for your hand washers and your dry wipes. I'll take you to the kitchen. The kitchen is a sufficient space for all your family, and I like it that this space will be ample if 2 or 3 people are working in the kitchen. The kitchen comes with these compartments for your oven and your microwave. I like it that the kitchen comes with dark granite countertops that are blending very well with the whites of the tiling on the walls. This space comes with numerous upper and lower cabinets, and I like it that the developer included some drawers for your cutlery and your crockery. I don't like it that the kitchen comes with a very small window and the door is not transparent. Sometimes proportionalities are very important. This kitchen comes with its pantry, and the space is sufficient for all your dry foods. Right now it is not partitioned, but the developer will partition it for you according to your wish. From here, I'll use this door and take you to the kitchen gardens, the laundry area, and the employee quarters. This back porch is very interesting. I like it. Next to me, you have the laundry room. This space is not the biggest, but I like it that it is separate from the rest of the house. The kitchen garden is here, and on my left-hand side, you have the employee quarters and the outside toilet. The outside toilet has been hidden here, so it will not be very usable, but you can always use it when you have visitors. The 2 tanks that I showed you on the front yard will be housed on top of these employee quarters. This home comes with a clotheslines area, and that's all for this backside. From the kitchen, we are at the center of this unit. This is the common washroom that I showed you earlier. I'll show you the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is a massive space even if you have more than 2 guests. I like it that it comes with a closet here and it is floor to ceiling. This is the guest washroom, and this washroom is just similar to the other washroom that I'll show you on the upper level. The guest closet and all the other closets in this home adopt a similar concept. I'll take you to the upper level. The upper level comes with the other 3 bedrooms, plus the study or the office, but also it comes with its own balcony. Let's see that, and later we will see the bedrooms. The idea of having a common balcony is very good because it allows everyone in the bedroom areas to enjoy sunlight either in the morning or maybe sunset. Let's go back inside. This is the study, and next to it you have the first bedroom. The study is the smallest room in this home, and it comes with some compartments and some shelves for the books and documents. On this other side, it comes with a study platform and some drawers. The first bedroom is the smallest compared to the other 3, and it comes with its closet here, and the bathroom is behind me. I like it that each bedroom on this level comes with very high ceilings and the windows are sufficient. Let's see the washroom. The washroom is very long, and it comes with its washroom area on this side and the bathroom area on my far front. On this side, it comes with a mirror, a wash basin, and a water closet. On the bathroom side, you have a towel holder, a rain shower, and some soap holders. This space also comes with some towel hangers. I'll show you the other bedrooms. From the first bedroom, the second one is here. As much as this bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one, it also comes with a slightly bigger closet, but with a smaller bathroom. The bathroom is here, and this bedroom comes with a balcony. This balcony gives you the best views of Mugutha locality, the neighboring estate, and from here you will enjoy the evening sunset. From the second bedroom, I'll drag all of you to the primary bedroom because this is where the magic happens. The primary bedroom is obviously the biggest, and it comes with the biggest window and the biggest balcony. It also comes with a walk-in closet and a very big washroom. I'll show you those two later. But for now, just have a look at this gypsum ceiling. The beauty of this space has been complemented by the side lights, and I like it that the developer attached the security system to the primary bedroom. This bedroom comes with a massive window, and before I show you the walk-in closet, we will see the balcony. The balcony is slightly bigger than standard, and if you add 2 or 3 chairs here, you will enjoy the best breeze. For those who enjoy a hammock, you can swing the hell out of yourself as you enjoy the great views of this locality. I'll take you inside. On this side of the walk-in closet, the developer will add a dresser here for our ladies. But if you are a guy, you can just dress anywhere. On this side, you have spaces reserved for all your clothes. Your shoes will be kept here. You have other spaces here for the hangable clothes. And this section has been reserved for all your foldable clothes. Let's see the primary bathroom. As you can see, the primary bathroom is the biggest. It comes with the wash basin here and a mirror. This space has been reserved for your showering, and it comes with a rain shower. I like it that you have these spaces for all your toiletries, and on the opposite side you have a space for your bathtub. This space will hold a big bathtub, and even if you are more than 6 feet tall, you will fit in this bathroom. So don't feel like you are being exempted from all this goodness. This bathroom also comes with a WC. That's all. As we were checking the stats of our videos, we realized that only 20% of you get to this point. So I am not very sure why, but I'll try to be less boring, but you should also try to be more attentive. For 28.5 million, there is so many options on your table. But this home and any other home in this estate must be on that table too. If you think this home is worth your money, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. But if you feel something is substandard or there is something that the developer might need to improve, make sure you comment in the comment section and we will reply to you ASAP. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, never stop watching. Bye bye.